Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine and in a very good health. Welcome to maths class. Today in this class we are going to continue with lesson number 8 and the topic is co-prime numbers. So let's start with our explanation. Now in the last lectures of maths we have learned what are multiples, factors, prime numbers and composite number. Today we will learn what is a co-prime number. So the numbers which has only 1 as a common factor, that numbers are called as a co-prime numbers. Now factors I have already explained you, that particular number will be given to you and you have to write that number comes in which tables. So that tables are called as the factor of that number. So here the example is 10 and 21. So first we will write the factors of 10. That means in which tables the number 10 comes. So it comes in 1 table, 2 table, 5 table and 10 table. Then the factors of 21. So it comes in 1 table, 3, 7 and 21. Now the common thing between both the numbers factor is 1. Means both the numbers factor is having 1 as a common factor. So that means if the 1 is a common factor of both the number, so it is called as a co-prime numbers. Understood, student? Two numbers common factor should be 1. Then only those numbers will be called as co-prime numbers. Now let's take an example. Next example. Now here the example is 6, 8. Now first write the factors of 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Then factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Then the common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. That means here in 1 and 2 are the common factor, means 6 and 8 comes in 1 table and 2 table. So that is why it is not a co-prime numbers. Understood the difference between a co-prime number and not a co-prime number? Now let's start with our problem set. So remove your maths notebook and write on the margin problem set 35. Write today's date and copy the question. Determine whether the pairs of numbers given below are co-prime numbers. Now the first question is 22 and 24. So now first you write the factors of 22, that is 1, 2, 11 and 22. Then the factors of 24, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now the common factor between both these numbers are 1 and 2. As you can see, I have circled over here. So next line you will write common factors of 22 and 24 is 1 and 2. So as I said, if the factors are more than 1, so it cannot be the co-prime number. So you will write, therefore 22 and 24 are not a co-prime numbers. Next question, 14 and 21. First write the factors of 14. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. Then factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now as you can see, I have circled 1 and 7 because the common factor of both these numbers are 1 and 7. So common factors of 14 and 21 is 1 and 7. Therefore 14 and 21 are not a co-prime numbers. Now next is 10. Now next is 10 and 33. First factors of 10, which are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. Now here the common factor between both the number is 1. As you can see, I have circled 1. So common factors of 10 and 33 is 1. Therefore 10 and 33 are co-prime numbers. As I have said, identify that both the given numbers are co-prime, we have to see that the common factor should be 1. So here it is 1, that is why these two numbers are co-prime number. Now moving ahead, question number 4. 11 and 30. So first factors of 11, 1, 11. Then factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. But the common between both the numbers are 1. The common factor is 1. So common factors of 11 and 33 is 1. Therefore 11 and 33 are co-prime numbers. Now moving ahead, question number 5. 5 and 7. So factors of 5 are 1, 5. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Now common between both the numbers are 1. 1 is the common factor. So common factors of 5 and 7 is 1. Therefore 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. Next is 15, 16. Now factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Then factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Common factor between both the number is 1. As you can see, I have circled. So common factors of 15 and 16 is 1. Therefore 15 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Next is 50. So question number 7 is 50 and 52. So factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Then factors of 52 are 1, 2, 4, 13, 26, 52. Now the common factor between these two numbers are 1 and 2. As you can see, I have circled. So common factors of 50 and 52 is 1 and 2. Therefore 50 and 52 are not a co-prime numbers. Next question, question number 8, 17 and 18. So factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now common between both these number factor is 1. So common factors of 17 and 18 is 1. Therefore 17 and 18 are co-prime numbers. Understood, student, what are co-prime numbers? I hope you have understood nicely. I'll see you in the next class. Complete your book on time. Okay, take care. Bye.